Hi, Andrew here from Socket & C, and in this video we're going to be looking at the range of Socket & C locks for Lockout Tagout for all your safe isolation needs. First we have the plug lock. This allows locking off at 13 amp plugs, so it uses a combination so there's no keys to lose, and each lock comes with its own reusable prohibition label. Next we have the MCB lock, again a combination lock, and this will lock off all MCBs, RCDs, RCBOs and main switches. And finally we have the fuse spur lock, again combination with prohibition labels and with an insulated screw that screws in behind any fuse spur.